We are back to the Disneyland, and today we're going to visit a regional place. Actually, one left existing attractions in Tomorrowland from 1955, from time when Disneyland was open. Yes, it is Autopia. It's Automobile Utopia. They actually gone through some changes. Tomorrowland version is not only one version of Autopia. Well, this original one, Autopia here, and another was Midget Autopia that opened in 1957, only 2 years after, because it was huge popularity. And next they had even a smaller Junior Autopia that was located in Fantasyland. That one was a little bit before 1957, and it was located next to, where the Storyland canal boats, and it's almost like very edge of Fantasyland. And interesting things, because it was small, the adults, it's not allowed to go on this ride. So and it's closed in 1966. This is not a first generation of car. Actually, it's not even second or third. During to 1958, it was already 4 different marks of the car. Mark 1, Mark 2, Mark 3. That was modified because they needed add some safety there. Bumpers, seat belts, all this modified. Engines on originals was breaking too often and you need to replace it. So they was working on this. And of course, when it's a monorail comes, submarine voyage, Matterhorn in 1959, the new fleet, new look need to be designed with a Mark 5. So this is different. And next design, Mark 6 was in 1964. It's already so many of them. Yep. They're all changing and kind of adjusted. In 1999, the new Mark 8 was come up, and interesting, that car was manufactured by Intermountain Design in Utah.
I'm going first.
Yeah.
Today I'm driving.
We'll go twice. Yes, one I will drive. Next time Amy will drive. Video and video, so you can watch our reactions.
Oh, that is a kind of small. Look at that. I can probably do with my legs like this. Well, that is a teeny tiny car. Do not bump the car. Interesting things about Autopia. Original cars wasn't on the tracks, so the people was going around, bump each other, and there was some collisions, real and hurt. So after time, they changed. They removed the freedom of the driving, and you know what? It's work here. It should work on the freeway. We should have it everywhere, like this. So the people have it
on the freeway.
Exactly. So they don't have it, people who bump in the walls and hit you on the back of the bumper. Whee! But he's still driving, so you'll notice.
You sound a little like you've had personal experience.
Yeah. But here's the interesting thing, because I won't give it the wrong car I had. They did replace the cars multiple times. Woo! Listen to this. You know what? I will say for the Disney, they should replace these cars with electrical cars. Because that is not very Californian things, or general. It's a very pollution, and you can look on some cars. Woo! We're going off-road now.
Wow.
Whoa! Look, paddle. I hit the paddle.
Like a lightning. Well, you'll never see the likes of me in a quiet town in Tennessee. Just biking me to 110. You'll never set eyes on us again. There she goes, fast down the highway, like a lightning. Fast as she can go. You'll never set eyes on us again. There she goes, fast down the highway, like lightning.
Look, the Honda robots saving the bird.
I've been seeing the Honda robots. I'm not sure if I caught that one on camera, but
Yeah, they have it. These cars we should have it, like electrical, you know. Those ones will be nice. And I understand for the kids may be interesting, but you know what? I almost need to drive every day
this
in my
is a
life.
kid
So
ride, huh?
it is. It's fun for the kids just to see, feel, you know. Actually, it's almost perfect for the teenage preparations because you have a car that feel like will die any second, very shaky. You drive this, so it's training teenage on their first car. Woo! Oh, somebody burned oil here.
They need to pass out some face masks before they have
yes.
go.
Uh-oh, there we're coming to them. Prepare to stop.
You know what I mean? Word on the secret heart. The girl of my dreams. Everybody loves those.
Oh, look at that garage. They have a real garage right there.
I know. I think it's cool that they show it to us too.
Yeah.
I mean,
Coming through a
what you do
song.
with
Look
that?
out, Jack. You know what I mean? The word on the secret heart. The girl of my dreams. Everybody loves those. Cruising with my baby out on the town. Look at me porno with the top down. Stop that time for a late night snack. If you
Oh, we have cars all the time. You'll see the bumpers.
you know what I mean? The word on the secret heart. The girl of my
Oh, that
dreams.
girl was
Everybody
rushing.
loves those.
She was like,
which one? The red car?
yeah, no, black behind.
Look, there's the monorail.
Monorail. Maybe we should go on monorail.
Everybody loves those.
It's the same tracks, so they don't change tracks.
But we're going to be like number 2, and so the number of cars and the number of like numbers
Stop,
there is not
yeah.
evenly divided.
No. Well, they break down, they need the place, you know.
We're in a parking lot, hun. At the
Yes.
traffic jam.
It's what people do when they go to Disneyland parking lot, like that. You just stop and waiting. Vroom.
Vroom, vroom.
You notice how calm I am by driving. I'm just only complaining about teenage people. I'm old person now.
If you like this video, please share, subscribe, like. We are a small channel. We're just starting up, and every subscriber, it does count to us. Every like, it's make a big difference for us. So if you do enjoy it, please support by very simple. Put it like, subscribe, drop the comments. Comments is very, very helpful. Just showing you guys enjoy this video and help us to create another ones. Thank you very much for watching this video and for all of your support. You also, as you're walking out, you can see the booth, 3 places where you can create your Autopia driver license.